Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the Discord account of yours. So to do that, open the Discord application first. It will direct you to the home page, and in the home page you need to tap on login. Now to log in into the Discord, you will need to provide your account information. That is, you will need to provide your email, phone number, and then you will need to provide your password. Now here you type in your email address first, and then below you type in the password, then tap on login, and with that you will be logged in into the Discord account of yours. To log in, you will need to provide a correct account credential, that is the correct information of your account details. Otherwise you will not be logged in. So this is how you can log in into the Discord account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.